Hey friends, my name is Evelyn Joy and welcome back to my channel. Today is a special day for me because my husband and my mother-in-law have the kids for most of the day. And so I am home with just me and the baby. So the first thing I did was I breastfed the baby a really long time. Now he has the hiccups. The second thing I did, well, while I was breastfeeding, I worked on revamping and making new cover photos for my two VIP kid groups that I have on Facebook. One of them is specifically for my city, for moms, for planning playdates, and the other group is called VIP Kid Teachers and YouTubers. So if you're a VIP Kid teacher and a YouTuber, feel free to join that group. If you live in my city, shoot me a message and I'll let you know about the name of the group for our city. So anyway, these are ways that we VIP Kid teachers can make friends in our community and support one another and just have a good time. So now that I'm done feeding my baby, I decided, since my three little ones that use the potty, well, let's be honest, two of them use the potty. One of them is going to soon-ish. Okay, anyway, since the ones that use the potty are not here, I have three potties that I keep in the hallway, and I'm deep cleaning them in the bathtub with hot water and soap and scrub brushes, the works. So right now they're soaking, because you know potties can get nasty over time. Okay, so, we rinse them out all the time, but this is the deep clean one. Now I'm going to put laundry away, and then I'm going to do some dishes. So much fun, and I need to organize the house. I hope you're having a good day. Let's go. This is my deep clean the potties project. This is my always dreaded, always have to do laundry project. This is my cutie with the hiccups who's going to be observing all my work. Hi! Hey, you. He's been working on smiling lately. Hi, you want to distract me? Or you want to help me? Hi. Hey, you. Hey, little boy. Hey. Okay. Back to work. So I was, organizing the closet, putting laundry away, and deep cleaning these potties, and soaking bottles in hot water to sanitize them. And my little boy was fussing and crying, so I thought I breastfed him a long time. Maybe I'm just not making enough breast milk for him. Let me make him a bottle of formula. I make the bottle of formula, come back to him, and he's asleep. He was fussing because he was tired, but I have this ready in case he wakes up hungry. Mom life. He's sleeping. Okay, so I've been brainstorming and, thinking about how I've been in survival mode. And now that finally, my baby's 2 months old, so I'm getting past that newborn phase. I'm recovered from the C-section, so I'm getting past that recovery phase. And winter is ending and spring is starting, so we're ending that sort of sick, cold winter phase. So I want to change as much as I can from survival mode, which is just get everything done that's totally necessary and put on the back burner everything else. So I want to change from survival mode to productive mode. So that means having a plan in place, focusing on getting enough sleep, focusing on eating healthier, focusing on keeping up with the house, giving myself grace, extending patience to my children, letting them know when they need to leave the room so mommy can get things done without monkeys climbing all over me. Love my monkeys, but truth. So I'm just thinking about a game plan. You know how coaches of different sports teams, because insert sports analogy here, they have game plans. And this mama of 4 kids need a game plan to be more productive. So enough talking, back to the laundry. I washed them, soaked them, scrubbed them, and now they are sitting with some bleach solution to try to get out the stains. This is my next project. My girls apparently got a hold of nail polish and decided to paint the furniture. Here is our crayon colored table. Magic eraser in hot water. Yes. Magic eraser in hot water it is. Alright, let's put it in the nail polish remover. Or disinfectant wipes. Onto the wall. Magic eraser, do your duty. This marker. Wall. I think. Yeah, marker. Good thing in the future. Much better. Mom hack for the microwave. I don't have to clean my microwave. Why ever could that be? Because I bought one of these in the dollar section at a grocery store. So all I have to wash is the inside of it. Because when something explodes in the microwave, it explodes into this. I have an entire drawer to go through of socks that are mismatched, that don't have a mate, and also clothes that's too small. Here's a small glimpse of my shoe organizing efforts and my sock pairing efforts. Here is my drawer organization. Here is my Tupperware organization. After so much organizing of little shoes and pairing up of little socks and finding clothes that's too small and either bagging it up to donate or bagging it up to save for the baby, my conclusion is that I am an accidental hoarder who dreams of minimalism. It makes me think of Cindy Bennett, how she talked about how people donate to her family big bags of clothes, and she would go through and find the best stuff and donate all the rest. And I need to start doing that because we have way too much stuff. Way too much stuff.
Yes, I have 4 kids, but we don't need this many toys. Little shoes, little socks that don't have mates, that don't fit. I need to go through and spring cleaning is a freeing feeling when my kids aren't here, crying over every little sock that I put in the donation bag. I need more time without my kids to just go through this whole house and just reorganize everything.